So for example, here, optimization for ad delivery, I usually want to go for conversions. Why? Because what I'm trying to accomplish is actually sales. I don't want people to just land on my page. I want them to actually convert. Let's activate the plugin. And once you select activate plugin, you are going to be good to go. 4 forms of content. That's it. There's nothing else. Either you do videos or you do images, written text, and then you also have audio formats. There's 2 types of things that you can do on Facebook. You can have organic posts or you can have paid posts. Attention is what we're going after. And how do we capture attention? By selling? No, we capture attention through content. It doesn't matter how much effort you put into your creative. It doesn't matter how awesome your videos are. It doesn't matter how incredible your content is. If you do not know how to put your message in front of the right person, it's all for nothing. People on average are paying attention to things 7 seconds. If you did not capture that attention at the first point of contact in 7 seconds, you lost them, probably forever. How do you capture that attention in the first 7 seconds? Not in your video necessarily, not in your images. Mostly, your most important area is going to be the first few lines of your Facebook ads. They created good quality videos. They had great images. They had good content, but they didn't know how to select their audience and discover who their real audience is. Because one thing that you have to understand is that not everybody is your customer. Most people are not. I can guarantee you that out of 200 million people actively on Facebook in the United States every day, most of them are not going to be your customers. Do you know that when somebody purchases your products, they are more likely to purchase a second time from you? Actually, here are the numbers. 80% of a company's revenue overall is recurring revenue, which means that if you're not retargeting your people on Facebook, you are missing out and leaving money on the table like crazy. So Facebook will work with you to put your messages in front of people that tend to convert better than others. Really cool, because now they're giving you what exactly you want, what you're looking for. Interruption marketing is the most powerful form of marketing in this modern era, because you have the chance, because of platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, to put yourself in front of people over and over again, even though they are not looking to solve their problems. You are interrupting them. You are knocking in the door of millions of people, depending on your budget, at the same time. Imagine that. Let me show you one of my favorite parts of the business manager to wrap this particular column up, okay? This part right here is so powerful, guys. And this is new. They recently rolled this out in this year. If you go to Setup Guide, Facebook is going to take you by the hand. It's going to tell you, this is what you